Hello students, hope you are doing wonderful at your home. Now let's see what these friends are talking. He says, I am tall, you are small. But he says, no, I am tall, you are small. Oh, dear friends, please don't fight. I have a ball, let's play all. Wow, they are enjoying now. Now students, can you tell me which sound is coming again and again when they are talking? Can you guess? Yes, it is all sound. A-L-L, all. Dear students, whenever A-L-L come together, they make all sound. Which sound? All. Very good. Now let's play one game with this sound. I have made a dice for you. Let's throw it and do reading of these words. Let's start it. Oh, can you read it? Small, small. Very good. Let's throw once again. Oh, what has come? All, ball. Wonderful. Let's throw it once again. What has come? All, fall. It is really a fun game. Now students, it's your turn. Think and make new words with all sound. I am waiting for your answers. All the best. See you next time.